In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your photo editing journey by importing photos into Adobe Lightroom on your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. First things first, launch Lightroom on your device. It's that familiar icon you probably have nestled in your applications or program list. Once you've got Lightroom open, cast your eyes to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a button labeled Add Photos, or you might notice a plus icon next to Photos. The wording varies slightly depending on the version you're using, but they serve the same purpose. When you click this button, it will open a file browser window. This is your gateway to the treasure trove of images waiting to be transformed. Navigate through the file browser until you reach the folder containing all those photos you're eager to work with. As you explore, keep an eye out for your chosen files, or perhaps an entire folder you want to import. Once you've found your images, select them. Depending on your system's settings, you might see options like Add or Select Folder to initiate the import process. Choose the appropriate option to proceed. If you're importing a whole folder, the process might take a moment as Lightroom prepares to work its magic. Now here's where a little Lightroom savoir-faire comes into play. Based on your preferences, Lightroom will either make a copy of the files or simply reference them from their original location. If you've got your settings aligned for cloud syncing, this is the point where your photos will also begin their journey to the cloud. It's a handy feature for keeping your work accessible across devices, but worth considering how much cloud space you're working with. When the import is complete, you'll see your photos appear in the library grid view. This is your creative playground, a space where you can bring order to your collection. You might start by organizing them into albums, perhaps grouping similar images together. Alternatively, applying keywords can be a powerful way to keep track of your work, making them a breeze to find at any moment in the future. The beauty of Lightroom is that it not only allows you to manage your photo archives smoothly, but also equips you with tools to edit them to perfection. Now that your images are all nestled into the library, you can embark on the editing process, adjusting anything from exposure to color correction to transforming your shots into truly stunning works of art. Armed with these initial steps, you'll find yourself well on your way to mastering the organizational and creative potential of Adobe Lightroom. Happy editing!